Number 1. Bush Viper. This is a venomous snake commonly found in Africa, Congo, Uganda and Kenya. Its prominent feature is its rough scales on the back. Unlike other few species, it does not make a hissing sound by rasping the scales of its tail. It might be found in varied colors like red, yellow, green, orange and combination of these colors. This species may change its colors in its lifespan. It is a nocturnally active snake, otherwise normally it is an inactive snake. Like other vipers, it has a feature of making a surprise attack and can wait at the same place for quite a long time till its prey comes to its territory. Once the prey is in range, it strikes very fast and accurately. It is observed that it hangs itself on the trees while preying. Number 2. The Panda Ant. Panda ants are not necessarily ants but wasps in the family of velvet ants. These insects own their name for their black and white color. These insects were first discovered in the coastal region of central Chile in the year 1938. After that, very few scientists gave it attention until recently when some few studies of it were done. The females are often wingless, huge and have many furs on its body. These insects have a lovely appearance but have one nasty sting that could get viciously painful on your skin. This is why they are also called cow killer, since they are capable of knocking out a cow or other animals that are much larger than they are. They also have a tough exoskeleton that helps them while invading their prey's nests, and also in retaining moisture, and since they mostly occupy dry areas. Number 3. The Blue Parrotfish. The blue parrotfish is an almost completely bright blue species of parrotfish. They are the only uniformly blue species of fish currently known. The name parrotfish refers to the beak-like jaws and fused teeth of the species in the genus. These teeth are used to scrape algae off of rocks and corals. Strangely, they also possess what are known as pharyngeal teeth, which are essentially just teeth in the throat. Parrotfishes use these teeth to grind rocks that they ingest into sand, which is then eliminated, creating new sand. This actually leads to the formation of small islands and sandy beaches in the Caribbean. Individual parrotfishes can produce as much as 200 pounds of sand per year. Number 4. The Fossa. The fossa is the largest carnivorous mammal on the island of Madagascar. They can reach nearly 6 feet in length, with half of that due to their long tails. They look like a cross between a cat, a dog and a mongoose. Fossas have slender bodies, muscular limbs and short reddish-brown coats. They have small cat-like heads, short dog-like muzzles and large rounded ears. Their scientific name means hidden anus. The fossa's genus name Cryptoprocta is inspired by how its anus is concealed by an anal pouch. It comes from the Greek for hidden crypto and anus procta. Fossas are the top predator in Madagascar. Fossas communicate largely through scent glands. Female fossas are temporarily masculine. The female fossa undergoes a strange developmental stage during adolescence known as transient masculinization, unique to fossas. She develops an enlarged, spiky clitoris that resembles the male's penis and secretes an orange substance on her underbelly, which is usually only. Number 5. Superb bird of paradise. If seen only by one picture, it looks like some kind of plant or some other thing, but this is the reason why we say it the superb bird of paradise. If we put a male and a female bird of paradise side by side, it's always the bright, glittering, fluttering, posing male that grabs our attention. But the females are just as important in determining what birds of paradise looks like. Male superb birds of paradise carry a two-pronged, iridescent blue shield on their breasts. They have small territories which they defend from other males. Within this territory, they might have one or two preferred spots, such as a particular tree branch from where they call and display to visiting females. Females only accept a male bird of paradise if he is most attractive and beautiful than all the others. Seen immature males. This is the fourth video of our series playlist in which we are describing all those animals which looks fake in pictures. So on demand of our subscribers, we have to prove all animals displayed in this video individually. You can